Thinking about getting Salesforce certified? Here's a clear path to earning your first credential. Certifications are earned by passing official proctored exams. First, you're going to choose a path. You're going to decide on your first certification, for example, Salesforce Administrator. And then you're going to use Trailhead, which is Salesforce free learning platform. You can just find it by searching trailhead.salesforce.com. And then from here, you're just going to find the official exam guide. So you can do so by clicking or hovering your mouse over Learn, and then you can find all of the modules right here. And then you can also just register. You're going to first study. You're going to complete all the relevant real modules and then use the practice exam. So like I said, you can do it by clicking on modules right here so that you can learn. You can also do projects and then trails. All of these are used for learning. And then after that, you can just head over to certifications. Right here, you can do certifications overview. You can just browse all of the certifications that they currently have. And then from there, once you're done studying, you're now going to register. So you can register for the exam through the web assessor or the Salesforce official exam registration site. So from here, you're just going to make sure that you click on sign up, and then you're going to register through your exam. You're going to take the proctored exam, whether online or in a test center, and pass to receive your certification. And that's it. That is how you can get Salesforce certification. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.